Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website easily and quickly, with beautiful UI and rich features. Let's experience some of the user interface of the product details screen in your app. The Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons will be in the middle of the product details screen when using the simple layout. With flat style, the Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons will be at the bottom of the screen. There are two ways to display product attributes on the product details page. On the Listing app, which creates mobile apps for travel or ordering websites, you can also edit the product details screen of the app. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel to get new videos for free. Thank you.